I love mangoes, but they're just too messy for me to eat. And I realized that actually in the past few years, I haven't been eating many mangoes, if any, because it's just so, it's like a nightmare. You peel the mango and then you have this slimy, juicy part running on your hands, and then you have an itch in your hair, and that's in your hair, or you want to cut it and it's still, the juice comes out, and it's just too messy. It's mango is too messy. Forget about it. It's too messy to eat. I was like, why is it not like a banana? Then you can just open it like this. And then I discovered that mango is not a banana, and I'm gonna share with you an amazing way how to eat mangoes. So what I discovered is that you can make a mango smoothie on a spot, and all you do is you squeeze the mango like this. And this is so cool because really through this technique there is no mess whatsoever. It's so exciting. You basically squeeze it like this. It's, like sometimes you have a smaller mango, so it's even easier and even faster. I have quite a big one. You have to be careful at the bottom. Sometimes it likes to come out. So you just squeeze this top, this main part, until it's quite soft, and it's like so much fun to do. And there is literally zero juice on my hand. So I keep doing this until this whole thing becomes very, very soft. And this is for your smoothies. And then all you do, you just take a piece of it. You just cut out a little piece, just like this. This is it. This is like as messy it gets, which is not much comparing to the previous one. And all you do now, just suck the juice out. This is so cool. I hope you like this tip. Eat mangoes, they are amazing. And let me know if you like this, because how cool is this? I thought it was pretty cool. So how far are you willing to go with your food to live unbound?